Hi guys, we're here at Habit. I've been dyeing my hair dark for a little while now. I'm naturally a blonde, but today we're going to switch it up. When I tell people that I was like, I've been a blonde for like my whole life, they're like, you've been a blonde and have this yet? Literally my entire life.
So good on your complexion. I feel like that's not super normal for it to look like it could be your natural hair.
Yeah. The fact that you've been everything. Orange. I love any color.
Like we always talk about the cherry cola.
I love the cherry. But like literally any color. But this, like what I've been right now has been my favorite hair color ever. But I like to switch things up.
I know it's fun.
And when I was blonde, I didn't like being warm at all. But now that I'm dark, I really like to use.
Oh, that was so good.
Just got my makeup done and now we are toning in the bowl and I'm so excited to see what it looks like. That is a wrap on hair day. I am obsessed with my hair. Thanks for coming along. Love you guys. Bye.